आज जो है today is the 11th International Day of Yoga, and this day is observed not only in India but throughout the world to make human being a perfect one, a fitting one, and to make their health, improve our health also, meditation, concentration, and it helps in ये इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा को मनाया गया। तो ये सिर्फ हमारे स्कूल में नहीं, सारा प्रदेश में और सारा भारत में और सारा पृथ्वी में आज इस दिन को मनाया जा रहा है। और इस दिन में हम योगा का महत्व क्या है इसको बताया जाता है, और योगा करके हम क्या।
Hi everyone, this is Bhavi Nehu, and I would like to extend my gratitude to all of you to inviting me in such a wonderful program. And today I am here as a yoga instructor to guide you all. And so happy International Yoga Day to everyone. So before practicing yoga, it's important to know about meaning of yoga, and then its benefit, and the benefit is offered. We should know, and the origin. Union and unite. Union of words. Union of our self-consciousness and its universe consciousness. कहे तो हमारा जो है हमारा यूनियन ऑफ माइंड एंड बॉडी। जो नहीं कर पा रहा है वो पहले मुझे देखिए, उसके बाद उन लोगों के लिए भी मैं बता रही हूँ। तो उसके बाद जो कर पा रहे हैं उसके बाद क्या करना है, लेफ्ट लेग को होल्ड करना है और अपना राइट साइड में रखना है। कोई बात नहीं, और स्पाइन स्ट्रेट करना है, और हाथ चिन मुद्रा। ये आपका जो थंब है, टिप ऑफ योर थंब एंड इंडेक्स फिंगर इज टचिंग ईच अदर, and place. And now feel the silence and prepare your mind and your body for yoga that we are going to perform. Now join your both hands in front of your chest. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra. Now repeat after me. Om Samgachatvam Sambhavatvam Sambho Manamsi Janatam Sanjanana Upasyate Sanjanana Upasyate. Remain in the close eyes and feel and observe the silence, and prepare your mind and body for asanas. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. Now we will perform loosening exercise. So for that we all have to stand up. Now feet apart, 2 to 3 inch. Now hands on your hip region. Now we will first move our neck up and down, sidewise and rotation. First, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे देखिए. Now inhaling, look up. सांस ऊपर लेते हुए देखिए. Now exhale. Now inhaling, look up. Exhaling, look down. Inhaling, look up. Exhaling, look down. Inhaling, look up. Exhaling, look down. Inhaling, look up. Now slowly and gently come up. Now what we will do sidewise. So you have to now exhaling, look at your right side. Inhaling, come up. And exhaling, look at your left side. Inhaling, come up. So exhaling, look at your right side. सांस छोड़ते हुए अपने राइट साइड देखिए. सांस inhaling, look front. Exhaling, look at your left side. At your right side. Inhaling, come up and look at your exhaling left side. Now inhaling, come up. Exhaling, look at your right side. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, look at your left side. Inhaling, come up. Now we will do. Now what you have to do is now you have to in exhaling you have to bend your head towards your right shoulder and try to touch your ears to your shoulder. But don't lift up your shoulder, okay? Without touching, without lifting up, you have to touch your ears. Now, inhaling, come up. Now do it to your left side. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling to your right side. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling to your left side. Inhaling, come up. On your chest, right? And from here you have to rotate from your right side. This is called clockwise. And then we will do anti-clockwise, that will go to our left side. So exhaling, touch your chin, to your chin. Now inhaling, lift up to your right side and move slowly and gently. And after 2-3 rounds, you can do from your left side. Then rotate from your left side, anti-clockwise. Now slowly and gently come up. Raise our both hands above our head like this. Exhaling, bring down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Now relax. Now we will do trunk movement. So before that we will do shoulder rotation. For that what you have to extend your hands forward like this up to your eye level, and from there turn your palm and your fingertips will be on your shoulder joint, and then from here you have to touch your both elbows. Exhaling it down, inhaling it down, exhaling it down. Now we will do an anti-circle. So inhaling it down. Now release your hand and shake your hand and your foot. If you are feeling tired, shake your hand and shake your leg like this. And now we will move ahead to our now we will move our transition. So for that, again you have to lift up your both hands up to your eye level, and then from here, what you are going to do, you will turn towards. अभी ये हमारा बॉडी हुआ वार्म अप करना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर हम बिना वार्म अप के अगर कोई भी आसन करते हैं तो क्या होंगे, हमारे मसल में इंजरीज हो सकते हैं और हमारा बोन में इंजरी हो सकता है। इसलिए हमेशा याद रखना है, whenever you are performing asanas, you have to perform using it. So now again extend your hands forward up to your eye level. From here, what you are going to do, you are going to interlock your fingers and your palm facing upward. Now inhaling, lift up your both hands up. Now your chin also simultaneously and exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. This is called Tadasana. This asana resembles a palm tree. So now we will move ahead to Vrikshasana. So उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है, लेफ्ट लेग ट्राई टू, हाँ उसके बाद क्या करना है, ये हाथ जो है ये हमारे कमर पे आएंगे। Now again from here inhaling, lift up your both hands up to your shoulder level. Turn your palm, inhaling. Now lift up your both hands and adopt the Namaskar Mudra and look at one point. Breathe normally. Now exhaling, bring down your hands. Now release your legs and hands. और हम ये अभी लेफ्ट लेग से करेंगे। तो हमारा राइट लेग क्या होंगे, फोल्ड होगा और उसे हमें लेफ्ट थाई में रखना है ऐसे। ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट योर फीट pointing downwards and your heel touching to your perineum region and your hands on your hips region. From here what you have to do, inhaling, lift up your both hands up. Exhaling, turn your palm. Inhaling, lift up. आराम से कीजिए, जितना कर सकता है उतना कीजिए, हड़बड़ाना नहीं है। And try to push your feet to your on your फ्लोर में से चिपकाने का कोशिश करते हैं। ओके, and look at one point. Now inhaling, bring down your hands. Now hands and your legs. चलो अभी फिर हम दोबारा leg and place side of your right thigh. Now hands on your hip region and then inhaling, lift up your both hands up to your shoulder level, turn your palm. Inhaling, lift up your both hands together and adopt the Namaskar Mudra and look at one point and breathe normally. After 5 breathing you can bring down your hands and release your hands and leg and do it from opposite leg. फिर हमारा राइट लेग बेंड होंगे और उसे हम थाई में रखेंगे, लेफ्ट थाई में, और हाथ यहाँ कमर में। उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, इनहेलिंग, सांस लेते हुए हाथ दोनों कंधे के बराबर रखना है। उसके बाद टर्न योर पाम, इनहेलिंग, लिफ्ट अप योर बोथ हैंड्स अप, adopt the Namaskar Mudra and look at one point. कोशिश कीजिए अभी exhaling, bring down your hand, release your hand and leg. अभी ये करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, पादा हस्ता आसन। So for that you have to stand in lift up your both hands up. Now exhaling, bend forward. सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे थोड़ा थोड़ा झुकता है. Make sure your spine is straight and with your elbow, your index finger and middle finger face your hip bone. And then bend your ankle like this and then up and right touch your left. So everybody, so now inhale, lift up your both hands up. Exhale, slowly and gently bend. अगर आप अपना अंगूठा नहीं छू पा रहे हैं तो you can touch your shin bone or your knee joint. ठीक है? Don't force yourself while you are doing yoga. जितना कर सकते हो उतना कीजिएगा और नीचे देखिए और सांस आराम से जिस तरह से आप सांस लेते हैं वैसे लीजिए और नीज बेंड मत कीजिए. आप चाहे तो आप जितना आपका हाथ जा रहा है वहाँ पे आप रखिए और ट्राई टू स्ट्रेट आउट योर spine, erect your spine. Okay. Now after 5 breathing you can come up. Inhaling, come, exhaling back forward and be there in this position. अपने सांस पे ध्यान दीजिए. एटलीस्ट 5 टाइम आप सांस लीजिए आराम से जैसे आप लेते हैं 5 टाइम. आफ्टर 5 टाइम यू कैन कम अप slowly and gently. So now if you are feeling tired then you can rest your head on your shoulder. जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं प्लीज वो आगे भी आ सकते हैं. आगे और सीट है जिनको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. Now slowly and gently look forward and release your hand and leg. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट लेग को फोल्ड करेंगे ऐसे. तो हमारा ये लेफ्ट लेग जब ऐसे होते हैं तो फिर हम आप अपना राइट हैंड को ऊपर की ओर और वहाँ से फिर हम अपने लेफ्ट. Yes, girls are doing correct. This is called Cobra Asana. Now, slowly and gently bring down your chest and come to the Makrasana. Resting pose. And now, we will move ahead to Salabhasana. So for Salabhasana, if you are convenient this, you can sit like this. Your hands will be come on edge of your knees region. And if you are comfortable with the Chin Mudra, you can sit like this. So what you are going to do, you are completely exhale through your nostril. When you are exhaling, you are actively exhaling. When you are inhaling, you are passively inhaling. So look, first observe me how I am doing. Okay. When I am exhaling, what is happening is my abdomen is also coming inward. Okay. So just observe how I am doing. Like this, you have to give stop. Okay. How much you can do, and this is good for your. Those are having charbis, those wanted to reduce their fat, they can reduce. And this is also good for the concentration, focus and all. So now exhale completely. Last one round. Inhale, exhale. Purnamidam Purnam Purnamudachyate
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति